let me play here. I mean, that's kind of like just not my gig. Although it would be cool to be a rock star, that's not what I'm called to do. You know, this Saturday at Sugar Hill at the Fall Festival, our band is playing and it's going to be awesome. In fact, you need to come between 11 and 1. I think they play about 12. And come to and support our band. Jason and the band will be playing and singing, frankly, some of the secular songs that we do throughout the year in our community center service. But here's why you need to be a part. Last year they played at the Fall Festival. Not really that great of a time slot, but they played. And while they were playing, Jason said something about, on Sunday mornings, we play at church. And one of the people were there said, "Hey, that's a church band?" And the folks around him said, "Yeah, it's our church, and won't you come?" Well, if you've been around church the last few weeks, you saw the Figueroa family baptized, and they came to the Fall Festival, heard about our church because our band was playing. And then somebody invited them to come and be a part of the worship experience. Hey, you can have an opportunity of inviting people with you to join us on the journey here at Sugar Hill Church. An easy way is this Saturday by supporting our band and then engaging people around you when they talk about who's that and what are they all about. I hope you'll take this opportunity. You may not be able to play the instrument, but you can invite people with you to come on the journey of faith. In fact, there are others of you, you're going to be serving somewhere, loving our community by volunteering at the Fall Festival. It's the way that we put our arms of love around our community and then invite people to join us in the journey. If you can't twirl the sticks, you can't play the instrument, that's cool, that's great. You're not supposed to. Just simply invest in relationships. Invite people with you on the journey. It's part of living out this thing called the Christ life. Look forward to seeing you this Saturday, 12 noon, right at the stage at the Fall Festival at E. Robinson Park. Don't miss it. It's going to be awesome. See ya.